No idea what's going on here. Oh. Oh. Look at the roof. Must have had a fire inside the hardware store. That's not good. Anyway, this is my downtown of Bird Island here. I used to live there. This is the post office. The former VFW building, but they moved. And a couple of knit, like crochet type places. There's a grocery store way down. A couple of bars on this side. So we can look at this one more time. Nobody's running in a hurry, so whatever happened probably really minor, but now that roof doesn't look good. We'll talk to you later.